First question, write down what is going on in the video. One paragraph.
This is the snack place, and these are posters Leland and Andrea made. And this is a place where you get tickets, and that's the arcade over there. And then this is the cafe, dining room, whatever, Leland made. And you go up the stairs, you enter the movie theater. Sarah made this, and that's it.
That's incredible. Great job. Great job. Raphael, let's run it. 5, 4, 3, 2.
What do you mean there is no popcorn here? Honey, please calm down. What do you mean calm down? Today was our 5th anniversary and we came here to have a good time. Look, it's fine. We can just go to a different place that has popcorn and watch the movie somewhere else. We need to get to the bottom of this. He just looked at me.
I'm at the line. I know, she's just reading it the same. She's like, no, I'm at it. Okay. Same form, continue.
Are we at the bottom?
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
We have been looking forever. Where is that popcorn stealing thief?
Can you number step forward? Okay. You're talking so. Try again.
We have been looking forever. Where is that popcorn stealing thief at? Wait, did you see that over there? Okay, so.
They have been looking forever. Where is that popcorn stealing that?
Wait, did you see that over there?
Wait, are you eating?
Just put it anywhere. It was like put it for yourself.
We need to get to the bottom of this.
He just looked at me.
I'm at the line. I know, she's just reading it the same. She's like, no, I'm at it. Okay.
We need to get to the bottom of this.
He just looked at me.
I'm at the line. I know, she's just reading it the same. She's like, no, I'm at it.
What are the 5 things that need to be fixed? Write in 2 paragraphs. What are the 5 things that need to be fixed? Write in 2 paragraphs.